I sat down with a sharpened pencil in my hand, and you were in my head, and I had planned to write you into verses and immortalize your virtues for 100 years to come. But then I thought about our tiny little history. You once had struck me as a mystery. Now I wonder what I used to see. Are these empty pages screaming that you're just like all the rest?